So this is going to be the start of a new series of videos of mine, mainly focusing on my rather large collection of pumps, which numbers 8 in total now. No, sorry, 7 in total. So 7 in total now. That's belt driven and steam ones. So this is just a bit of a video going through each one really. One of them is in bits at the minute, which is one of my Worthingtons. But the rest of them are all on display here. So they're all going to get either stripped down and re-restored or restored. So let's have a look. Right, so first pump is the Weir. It's a vertical pump, but the minute lay on its back because I need to put a base on it. So you can see it's I have restored this. It was the first pump I got. It was restored pre-COVID, but I just need to do a few bits on it I'm not happy with. I need to, as well as doing the valve timing, which I'll show how to do when I get to this pump. Gaskets and gland packing as well. So you can see that's the Weir pump. So you can always tell with the Weir pumps, you can always find the date of the number, which you can't see. Which there you go. So if you're ever looking at a Weir pump, that's where the date normally is. That's where the number normally is. Mine dates from around the 50s. Well, yeah, that's the Weir pump. I'll be doing a full strip down of that, which I'll do a video of, and I'll show how to set the valve timing on as well. Oh, let's have a look at the next one. So the next one I've got here is a Pearn. Oh, sorry, about the Weir pump. So the Weir I got from Grain Mill. It has a well worth a look. A great collection of engines there. And it came from wholesalers, mill suppliers, so it is absolutely brand new. Never been steamed, never been worked other than it's been tested and stored the wooden plugs in the inlet and exhaust for the steam at the top. Oh, the front Pearn. So this is in a bit of a state. It's currently seized on the pump side, which is there. So this is going to need a full strip down and rebuild. But this is one I'm going to get to. So I'm not sure the age of it. I'm not sure if there's a number on it, but it's definitely a Frank Pearn of Manchester, and it would be wall mounted. I'm going to build a stand for it eventually, and once it's restored, and then it can be displayed then. So I've got two Worthington Simpson duplex pumps. One is currently in bits with parts of it down at Clay Mill pumping station, being worked on for me, and other bits in my shed and other garage. So this Worthington you see here, so if anybody's ever been to Bancroft Mill in Banoldswick, they will recognise this pump as it came from there. And I was graciously allowed to buy it, part of my collection. It's a very fine pump, won't take much restoring this one. This pump is number 35013921, and it's a 3 by 1.25 by 3 inch. So a nice size of pump. So next one you see here is a Hayward duplex feed pump of a nice size. then the number can be seen on there. So, nice size as a pump this. This was the second pump I ever bought. This is from the Ecclesbourne Railway in Derbyshire. I managed to get this for I think 20 quid, which is an absolute steal. But it's gone through the loan, it's been restored, just needs same as the Weir pump gaskets, valve timing and gland packing fitting. So that's just needs a little bit of doing, needs a few valves putting back on and that, drain valves. Oh, next one, so this is one of my belt driven ones, and the other being steam. So this is a Lister domestic water pump, still in my Lister D. So you can see it's a nice pump. Got this just this last weekend from the Chester Street Steam Rally. Amazing what you can find at Steam Rally. So yeah, that's nice little pumps, not going to take much restoring. And then this one, so this is a bit of an oddity. So it's belt driven. There's a rather nice looking pump. There's the manufacturer's name. So yeah, rather nice little pump. That's duplex with an internal crank at that end. So with an internal crank at that end, and it's a duplex pump, belt driven. So yeah, be rather nice pump, that one restored. And on to my last and largest, so a Joseph Evans pump. It's a big old girl, biggest one I've got out of all my pumps, you can see. So again, this one, not sure the history, but this along with a few others I got off a good friend of mine. It's a very large pump and will be a very nice once restored. And it's also, as can be seen, nice and free at this present time. So again, that's not going to take much restoring. So yeah, so the other one is my Worthington, which is in bits at the minute. I will put some photos of that one, but as I say, bits of that are here, there and everywhere. So once I start restoring that, I'll put some, that'll be my first restoration video from the pumps. I'll keep an eye out for them. I'm also will do a video on is years ago, Ellen Road Steam Museum were scrapping a Tangy large duplex feed pump, horizontal one, which was majorly frost damaged, and I saved a load of the bits off it. So I'll go through those bits at some point. There's one of the piston rods off it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Bit of a different video, but keep an eye out. The next couple of weeks I'll be starting pump restoration videos. So the first one will be the other Worthington, slightly, ever slightly bigger than that one. So yeah, thank you for watching.